Hi guys! Welcome sa SIP9. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung series natin on unit conversion. So tuloy yung discussion natin on converting metric to English system. Number 4, dahil karugtong ito ng previous video, we have 72 feet, 2 meters. No? So ilang meters sa 72 feet? Again, isulat lang natin yung given, 72 feet. And then lagyan natin ang denominator na 1 para maging fraction. And then we multiply it by the conversion factor. And ayaw natin ng feet, no? Kasi gusto natin yung sagot natin ay magiging meter. So dapat makancel natin yung feet at makagawa natin yan by putting the unit feet in the denominator of the other fraction. Okay? And then yung meter ay nasa numerator. And looking at the meter feet conversion factor, we have 1 meter is 3 and 28 hundredths feet. And pag nag-multiply tayo, makakancel yung feet. And then we have 72 times 1 meter is 72 meters. At yung denominators, we have 1 times 3 and 28 hundredths. That's 3 and 28 hundredths. And dividing, we have, that's approximately equal to 21 and 95 hundredths meters. Okay, kinalculate ko na yan ahead para hindi tayo masyado magtagal, no? Next, we have 23 and 5/10 miles is equal to blank kilometers. So how many kilometers are there in 23 and 5/10 miles? Again, write the given and then divide by 1, multiply by the conversion factor and cancel the appropriate units. This time, ang gusto natin i-cancel ay miles. So, dapat mawala yung miles. We have to put miles in the denominator. And then, ang gusto nating matira ay kilometers. And looking at the conversion factor, we have 1 mile is 1 and 61 hundredths kilometers. So, 1 mile is 1 and 61 hundredths. Okay? And multiplying, we have, makakancel ito. That's 23 and 5/10 times 1 and 61 hundredths, which is equal to 37 and 835 thousandths kilometer divided by 1, no? Which is 37 and 835 thousandths with a TH kilometers. Lastly, we have 4 kilometers is how many miles? So again, 4 kilometers divide by 1 and then multiply by the conversion factor. Ayaw natin ng kilometers, so lagay natin ng kilometers sa denominator. Miles yung nasa numerator. And 1 mile is 1 and 61 hundredths of a kilometer. And then multiplying, we have 4 times 1 is just 4. Tapos makakancel ito. And then 4 times 1 mile is just 4 miles. And the denominator is 1 and 61 hundredths. And dividing, we have, it's around 2 and 48 hundredths kilometer.